Schumann, age 25, composes what many now consider to be his first mature masterpiece. It's a piece called Carnival. I'm convinced that this piece could not have been written by somebody who did not have bipolar disorder. It doesn't mean that you have to be mentally ill to write a musical masterpiece, but Carnival stands as practically a catalog of bipolar symptoms. First of all, the piece is based on a pun, and punning is a manic characteristic. When Schumann composed Carnival, he was engaged to a woman named Ernestine. Ernestine came from a town called Asch. Asch is spelled A-S-C-H. And Schumann noticed that the letters in Asch were also letters in the name Schumann. They were the only 4 letters in his name that corresponded to musical notes. This is A here. S in German is E-S or E-flat, so this is S. This is C, and this is H. H is the German counterpart to B, so this is H. So Schumann played around with these letters, A, S, C, H, A, S, C, H, and he came up with... He said, all right, that's one thing I could do with ASCH. And he thought to himself, well, what else? ASCH, ASCH. And he came up with... And he continued experimenting. ASCH, ASCH. He wound up writing a series of 21 short pieces based on this combination of letters, based on these tonal analogs. This is not how other people were composing music at this time.